Day 18 on harvest log. We're cutting Crusoe still. This is milling wheat. We're about halfway through the Crusoe itself as a variety, which is the only milling wheat we're growing this year. Moistures are coming in nicely under 15% now. Got good Hagberg, which is a sort of elasticity, the Hagberg falling number, how doughy the bread can be. But it is slightly lower protein, which is a little bit disappointing, but yields are sort of anywhere from 7.5 up to 10 tons per hectare, depending really on soil type. Heavier soils delivering a bit more yield, which, when you consider the sort of weather that we've had this season, is not unsurprising. Loads of dust. Got the ready